Ever wondered what those tiny, rock-like things called kidney stones are and why they form? Let's break it down in simple terms. Your kidneys are amazing filters, constantly cleaning your blood and making urine. This urine carries away waste products, minerals, and salts. Kidney stones are essentially hard lumps made of these minerals and salts that crystallize and stick together inside your kidneys. Think of it like making rock candy, but inside your body. Usually, your urine has enough liquid to keep these chemicals dissolved, preventing them from forming stones. The number one culprit? Not drinking enough water. When you're dehydrated, your urine becomes more concentrated, meaning there's less liquid to dissolve those crystal-forming substances. This makes it much easier for them to clump together and grow into stones. Your diet also plays a big role. Eating too much sodium, found in salty and processed foods, can increase the amount of calcium your kidneys have to filter, raising your stone risk. High sugar intake and too much animal protein, like red meat and shellfish, can also contribute. While calcium stones are the most common, often involving calcium and oxalate, other types exist. Uric acid stones can form from high-protein diets. Struvite stones are usually linked to urinary tract infections, and rare genetic conditions can cause cystine stones. Sometimes, underlying health conditions, like certain metabolic disorders or even digestive diseases, can make you more prone to developing stones. A family history of kidney stones can also increase your risk. The good news: you can often prevent kidney stones. The simplest and most effective step is to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Eating a balanced diet and limiting salt can also make a huge difference. Subscribe for more fun facts.